Hey, Katrina here from Scrappy Horses. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am so happy you are here. Back in November, on November 30th, actually, I released a video. And that video was finding cartridges and image sets in Cricut Design Space. I titled it 2024. Well, today I went in to find a cartridge using this technique and it no longer worked. So I figured it out and I am now sharing finding cartridges, image sets in Cricut Design Space, take 2, December 2024. Let's head into Cricut Design Space and let's take a look at this. The first video was inspired by one of my Cricut friends who asked, how do I find a cartridge or an image set in Cricut Design Space? So let's just start all over again and let's do this as of December 17th, 2024. I'm going to click New Project. That's going to open up my canvas or the page that I'm going to work with. Next, I know that I want to find an image, and I'm going to say I'm looking for an image from Country Christmas. So I'm going to come into Images over here on the left-hand side. See the word Images there. I'm going to left click. I'm going to come down to Advanced Search. Now this is the same as last time so far. It's down here at the bottom on the left hand side. Then up here it says all filters, clear all, categories. And it has that little arrow or caret there. Underneath that, if you click this, it's going to go away. But if you re-click it and it's facing up, it opens it. And it says all images. I'm going to open this. Now I can come down and right there is image sets. I click image sets. This is actually much easier than before. Now I'm going to come up here and I know that the one I want is Country, I believe it's called Country Christmas, but I'm not sure. So I'm just going to type in country and see. And there it is, Country Christmas. Along with all the other country Life, Country Christmas, Country Carnival. Once I find my Country Christmas, then I can click on it and I can come in and just choose whatever it is that I was looking for, the image, whether it might be this truck or elf or the deer, jumping deer. Ooh, that's kind of fun. Let's choose this. So I'm going to click this plus. Then I come down here to the bottom and it says view. I left click and there it is. It's that simple. So it's actually much more simple than before. But I wanted to get this video posted so that you would have success and not try to look at the old video. So if you came here from the old video, I'm glad you found this. If you're seeing it for the first time, I'm so glad you found this. All right, any comments or questions on how this works? Let me know and I will try to help you out. Have a wonderful, wonderful week and I will catch up with you in the next video.